Hi guys, Vikram here. Today I'm going to talk to you about perspectives. What is perspective? Perspective is the reality we see. It's a point of view. Perspective comes from our experiences. Perspective is the thing that can change your life. So, one thing I want you to remember first. Perspective is a thing, is the lens through which we see reality, right? So there is always two realities for every person, and in these two realities, one is same for you and for me. The other one is specialized for individually. So the first one is a real reality. It doesn't care about your emotions, your experience, or anything. It's what it is in the world. It is damn truth. The second one is your perspective. The way you see that reality, that will make up your whole world. See, you've been alive for 20, 30, 40 years, 50 years, 100 years. That's it. Whatever you experience from all these years will give you a sense of perspective, how to look at things, and that's how you'll see the world. Perspective can change everything. If you can change your perspective, you can change your life. As simple as that. And the one best thing about perspective is that it can be easily manipulated. How? See, if you are stuck at a problem and you are trying to reach a conclusion on it, you don't know how to handle it, go out for some time, take your mind off it, get some new perspective. They say, how do you do that? The only thing you can the only way to do that is do something really different. You are like working on a relationship problem maybe, then go out and do something entirely different, like go and help someone, or go and play something, go and do some charity, watch some movies, not romantic, totally different. Go and watch some sci-fi movies and come back to your old problem, and you'll gain some new perspective because you have some different experiences now. So that is very important. Your perspective can be manipulated. It should be used properly. And these days when I get stuck at a problem, I think about it a lot. Once I brainstorm about it. After that, I will take total break. I won't even think about it for 2-3 hours. Then something will pop up in my brain, and it's been working really great. I think this can be really great advice for you guys to use your perspective, manipulate your perspective to your advantage. Get it? Remember always, your perspective is not the only perspective. There is two other perspectives: the other person, other people who are living, and the reality, the actual reality which doesn't care about any other thing. It is there, that's it. So these two perspectives should be remembered, so that you won't get attached to your perspective very emotionally and build an ego around it. If you build an ego around your perspective, you can never change. Always be flexible with your perspective, because know that it's coming from your brain through your experiences. It's not the reality. As you go forward, you'll learn more and your perspective keeps changing. If you remember that, you'll never get offended by other people's perspective, or if something bad happens, you'll know how to look at it in the future once you go forward. So that's it for today's guys. Thank you a lot. Tomorrow I'll see you.